My title was too long. Fan and air conditioner, dude. So again, your question is, what brand of compressor has on my GE air conditioner? Do you know? Answer on the comment section. The 2016 GE 10,000 BTU sounds exactly like mine. And fan and air conditioner, dude. Let me know in the comment section what brand of compressor has on my GE 12,000 BTU air conditioner. And yeah, fan and air conditioner, dude. What? You know what I mean? Well, it was saying unable to save changes. Check for title errors. And it was too long. So, I discard changes, etc. So, hope you enjoyed.